Everyone is chasing the big breakthrough, the big win, the life-changing moment. We love stories of overnight success, sudden transformations, and instant results. But here's the truth that nobody tells you. Real growth rarely happens in a single dramatic moment. The real transformation, it comes from the smallest, most invisible choices you make every single day. Think about it. Wake up just 15 minutes earlier. That's not much, right? But in a year, that's 91 extra hours of learning, creating, or exercising. Read only 2 pages of a book a day. It sounds like nothing, but in a year, that's 700 pages. That's 2 or 3 life-changing books. Smile at one stranger. Start one conversation. Write one new idea down every morning. On the surface, these are tiny actions, but over time, they stack, they compound, and they quietly shape the person you are becoming. Most people quit because they don't see results fast enough. They start a new habit, and when they don't see big changes in a week, they give up. But success doesn't come in days. It comes in layers, built slowly, consistently, and invisibly. Think of an ice cube sitting on a table. You raise the room's temperature from 25 degrees to 26, then 27, then 28. Nothing happens. You keep going. 29, 30, 31, still nothing. Then you hit 32 degrees, and suddenly it melts. That's how growth works. For a long time, it looks like nothing is happening. But then one small shift pushes you past the tipping point, and everything changes. The difference between the people who stay stuck and the people who soar isn't luck, talent, or timing. It's their ability to stay consistent with small, almost invisible actions long enough to reach their breakthrough moment. So stop waiting for the perfect day, the perfect plan, or the perfect opportunity to change your life. Don't aim for massive overnight success. Start smaller, much smaller. Because when you consistently choose growth over comfort, even in the tiniest ways, you are rewiring your mind, reshaping your habits, and redesigning your future. Big success isn't built in a day. It's built in the quiet, ordinary moments when nobody is watching, when you choose discipline over distraction, progress over excuses, and growth over comfort. The power to change your life doesn't come from one giant leap. It comes from the tiny steps you take, repeated every single day. Start with one small shift today and watch how it transforms everything tomorrow. And if this message inspired you, remember, this is just one of many powerful ideas we share here. Subscribe to The Growth Theory for weekly motivation, mindset shifts, and life lessons that help you grow stronger, think better, and live bolder. Your growth journey starts now.